Just in time for all the New Year's Eve parties out there, Apple has finally released its Apple Music Sing feature. Apple Music Sing is the new karaoke style feature that they've added to the Apple Music subscription service, and it works with the lyric experience that they've had built in for a while now. Apple Music Sing allows adjustable vocal controls, real-time lyrics, and makes it easy for background vocalists, and even features a duet view when you're playing songs with two singers. Apple has launched the service with a bunch of pre-built party playlists and are slowly adding it to more and more music as time goes on. It can be used on the iPhone, iPad, and even the Apple TV 4K. To access Apple Music Sing though, you need to be signed up to Apple Music and updated to at least iOS 16.2. To make sure that you're up to date, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and choose General, and then tap Software Update. If you're not yet updated, you'll see it here. Go ahead and first make sure that you're updated to at least iOS 16.2. Once you're ready, open the Music app. You can check out the pre-made playlist by making sure you're on the Browse tab here at the bottom, and then scrolling down until you see Apple Music Sing. Tap any of the options here. Inside, you can check out a quick intro video to sing if you want, or keep scrolling down to see the different playlist categories. Find and choose the playlist that you want to listen to and start playing. Once the music starts, tap the song that's playing at the bottom and you should automatically see the lyrics screen. If you don't, you may need to tap the lyric icon here at the bottom. Once the song is playing, you'll see the new Sing icon here on the right. Tap that to enable it. Now you'll see that the Sing icon turns to a volume slider. I'm not able to play the music in this video because of copyright, but all you need to do is drag the slider all the way down. It'll then remove the vocals from the music. You can add or take away as much as you want. And as the music plays, you can then follow along with the lyrics just like normal karaoke. So have fun this New Year's Eve or the next get-together using Apple Music Sing.